Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson. Today we're going to learn how to play grips. Grips are very similar to torluas, except instead of using two grace notes in a torlua, we're going to use a D grace note in grips. So for example, if I go from a B and use a grip up to C, it's going to sound like this. I'm going to play it one more time. So I started with the first melody note, went down to low G, played a D grace note, and went up to the next melody note. So that's how you're going to play a grip every single time you play one. So for example, if I am going to play an E with a grip up to F, it's going to sound like this. Or if I go from a low A with the grip up to C, it's going to sound like this. So I think you hopefully get the point with that. Grips are not really that complicated, but they do take practice. Probably the biggest hurdle that many players will face is going to be getting all of the fingers up for the corresponding note. If, for example, it's a C, getting those two notes or getting those two fingers up at the same time is what they struggle with the most. So if they try to go like this, getting these two fingers up at the same time is what they're going to struggle with. Instead of getting them up individually, they're going to try to do them that way. Which is what you want. You don't want it to sound like multiple notes. You want to make it sound like one note. So all fingers coming up at once instead of at different times. So another grip that is common, especially in Skull and the Brave, for example, is a high A with a grip. So it sounds like this. Again. So if I play the first line or first line of Skull and the Brave, it sounds like this. So those are the grips that you find in the second part of Skull and the Brave. And then with the other examples I just went over, you'll find, for example, in Green Hills, it'll sound like this with the first couple of bars. So you get the grip, you get the B with the grip up to C in the first bar of Green Hills, and then similarly with Bellows Over, you have almost a replica of Green Hills, and it sounds like this. So that is how you play grips. If you're unsure about anything I said in this video, please leave a comment down below. If you liked the video and helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, folks.